You're watching market headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index intraday movement, earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 7,074.73. And then approaching the closing time on the first session, the index was closed on the level of 7,071.32. And then the index was showing weakening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 7,050.12. And in short, JCI went down 0.74%. And next, we're going to see the sectoral movement. Leading the dynamics of today's trading, we got technology as the leader of strengthening trend that went up 1.29%. Industry went up 0.84%. Basic sector went down 1.62%. And infrastructure went down 1.07%. And moving on to top gainers and top losers, here are the key highlights from today's trading session. Bumi went up 3.93% to the level of 185 rupiah per share. Omet went up 23.53% to the level of 252 rupiah per share. Bigas went up 0.27% to the level of 1,855 rupiah per share. And MKTR went up 8.33% to the level of 130 rupiah per share. And meantime, the top losers for today's trading, we got Telkom went down 1.4% to the level of 4,220 rupiah. BBRI went down 1.49% to 4,620 rupiah. BBCA went down 1.13% to the level of 8,750 rupiah, and Adaro went down 1.83% to 3,760 rupiah. And next, we're going to see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 15,677. Rupiah showing strengthening trend towards US dollar, and it would close at the level of 15,653. And in summary, rupiah went up 0.27%. Along with the company's revenue decline, Lippo Karawaci posted a net loss of 1.92 trillion rupiah as of the third quarter of 2022. This net loss increased by more than 200% year-on-year. Lippo Karawaci posted revenue of 10.45 trillion rupiah in the third quarter of 2022. Based on the financial statements as of September 30, 2022, the net income decreased by 13.61% year-on-year. The company's revenue consists of real estate development, healthcare, and lifestyle. In detail, revenue from real estate development decreased by 21.62% to 2.79 trillion rupiah. Healthcare decreased 2.96% to 6.93 trillion, and lifestyle decreased by 45.28% to 822.41 billion rupiah. The company recorded a decrease in cost of revenue to 6.13 trillion rupiah in the third quarter of 2022. This resulted in a 3.31% decline in gross profit to 4.31 trillion rupiah. After deducting various expenses that can be streamlined, the company recorded a net loss of 1.92 trillion rupiah in the third quarter of 2022. This figure is an increase of 236% year-on-year. IDX Channel reports.